Now that you've seen my before picture, look at me now. TrainerApproved.com has completely changed my life. From the second I started it, I've seen little differences every single day, and I feel amazing. I've been doing TrainerApproved.com for over a year now, and I've lost over 40 pounds, and I feel amazing, and it's so easy to do. I just go to the gym with my cell phone, and I look up my daily program, and I do it, and I feel amazing afterwards, and there's so many different diet plans that I can follow, and they're not difficult, and they're not like all the other diet plans that starve you and make you feel so awful. I've tried so many other websites and so many other DVDs as so many other people have, and none of them work because all of them require you being at home and just being your usual lazy, not wanting to get up and go to the gym self. And I'm just so thrilled that I can go to the gym with my phone, and it's so easy to use, and it's all because of TrainerApproved.com. TrainerApproved.com has really changed my life. This is why I sent this video in. You all should really join and make yourself feel the best you can possibly feel, because it really worked for me and it will really work for you. I used to go to the gym and get on the elliptical machine or the treadmill, and I just didn't know what to do with myself. And I just got on the treadmill or I got on the elliptical for 20 minutes and then got off and left because I didn't know what else to do. And now I know I have the tools that I need to do everything I need to do, the weight training, the everything that will sculpt my body and make me leaner and make me feel good about myself. And I never had that before, and no other program has ever given that to me. Wow, I used to not even be able to do one of these. Now I can do 20.
I came today and stay and stay and stay and stay. I came today and stay and stay and stay and stay. I came today and stay and stay and stay and stay.
This program is so thorough, it even walks you through a full body stretch.